bagel, biscuit, and butter. That is the taste of the cuteness we are getting this morning on National Puppy Day.
And right on cue, that little pup got some little drink of water there. News 12's Lisa LaRocca is live for us at the SPCA in Westchester, Briarcliff Manor to tell us all about it. And also, Lisa, it looks like you've got some new friends there
in the mix.
to introduce us to.
We do. This is Larry and Mo. I am covered in puppy slobber right now. It is so awesome. You may have noticed I changed my shirt. That's because my sweater is ripped with puppies, but it's absolutely okay. These sweet are what, Lisa? They're
between 5 and 6 months old,
right.
And if you can believe it, they're siblings. And one looks like a chocolate lab mix, and the other looks like a wire terrier. So go figure.
Go figure, right? So, you know, for anyone at home, obviously, I mean, they saw with butter, bagel, and biscuit earlier. Now these two guys. Getting a puppy is a lot of work. Yes.
It is. It's totally worth it, but it's a ton of work, especially the first few months, you know, getting them settled and training and all that good stuff. So especially for people who work, especially who might work full time, you know, we'll encourage them to consider an adult or an older puppy, like these guys who, you know, they don't have to go to the bathroom as often. They've had some training. They're, you know, somewhat past their teething stage. So certain things like that are a little easier to handle.
Right. So people need to understand that it is a commitment. If you are going to get, and you're talking about anywhere from a 10 to 15-year commitment, and this is walking every day, and, you know, people like the idea. So maybe a good idea before you bring one home is come down, kind of test drive it out first, talk to you guys and get some advice.
We have amazing trainers and adoption counselors on staff, and they know everything and anything about dogs, and they know our dogs and puppies. So they can really help match people up, you know, whatever their lifestyle is, whatever personality they're looking for. They're great matchmakers, so yes.
And also, and we'll talk about this in our next tip, because you can actually foster a pup. So you can, and that can kind of give you an idea of what it's like to have a dog at home. So stay with us. We'll talk to you a little bit more about that here at SPCA Westchester. So Larry and Mo.
And
could
they're
be
getting altered later, so they're going to be ready first thing tomorrow morning.
So they will be ready soon, right?
Yep.
Oh, hello. Covered in puppy slobber. It's awesome. Yes, hello.
Oh, Lisa, so cute. You're not even mad about it either. Just covered in puppy slobber and happy about that. You know, a puppy is a big commitment. So Lisa was talking about the fact that you can kind of try out the puppy at your home, be a foster parent. That is one way to see if those pups are right for you. So we'll be checking in with her throughout the morning with some great information on National Puppy Day.